Imagine you wake up one morning. The Earth is the same size, in the same place, and in the same orbit. But every atom has been replaced, not with rock, not with air, but entirely with protons. Sounds cool, but it could actually be one of the most catastrophic and violent events that could ever happen. First of all, if you're not lazy, you can make predictions. Protons and electrons are two differing types of atomic nuclei that are found in all types of atoms. Electrons have a negative charge, and protons have a positive charge. Because they both have opposing charges, they are both attracted to each other, and this is called electromagnetic force, but we will come back to that later. Firstly, let's see what happens to the moon. All types of electrons, although they have a negative charge, they have a different amount of charge. So one electron could have a low charge, even though it's still negative, and another electron might have a high charge. And also note that there are a lot of electrons in this process. And it's also in space. And the electromagnetic charge would be so forceful that it will turn the entire Earth into plasma. And the force will even spread to the other planets in the solar system, and we will look at that later as well. You know how I said that the moon would be attracted to the Earth because of the electrons and protons? Well, that would mean that the moon would charge into Earth almost instantly. And we are talking 10 to the 36 times stronger than gravity. And it will have so much electromagnetic force that gravity will be almost zero in terms of how much effect it will have. We are blocking this part of the show for obvious reasons. And so the Earth and Moon would collide so quickly that it would take less time than it will take for you to blink. But then the protons and electrons will form together and create hydrogen atoms. Hydrogen is one of the most violent atoms on the whole universe. And considering the situation we're in right now, I doubt it's going to be pretty. And nothing would survive, not even the planet itself. And this thought experiment comes to show that gravity isn't the only force that we deal with every day. So next time you look at the moon, just be grateful that it isn't charged. Or Earth wouldn't even last a second.